G'day everyone, and good morning from the inside of the GQ. Grandpa's picking a winner. What time did we get up, mate?
Before the sparrows fart.
Yeah, but you weren't holding back on yours, were you?
Yeah, my window's been up and down all morning.
There you go, mate. There, big little fella. Good, yep. So we've just smashed out 600 Ks for the first day of the trip. Oh, yeah, we'll try and get everyone in the camera. There we go, sort of. And yeah, we're just heading to Norseman for Smoko, and yeah, top up with fuel.
Oh, I still stink.
Alright guys, we've made it to Belladonia, grabbing lunch, and we've got to check out some of the museum here where the US satellite apparently blew up or fell down or landed here, and then we're going to go check out the Gnomesville here, see if we can find Daz's gnomes. So, time for lunch.
Yeah, oh nice.
So,
Yeah.
I'm trying to put myself to this
Yeah. Especially if you can travel around. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Duck. There's your duck.
Where's Darren's naked ones? Well, here we go. We've made it to our camp destination, which is Cockabiddy. We've got a pretty good view from our room, if you can see it over my shoulder. Room's pretty good. Oh, good enough for out in the bush, you know what I mean? What do you reckon, big fella? Big little fella's designated that, and then it's me and the big fella have to sleep in the same bed.
That's alright.
What do you reckon, mate? All good?
Yep.
Yep. All right, so time to go grab some dinner, grab a beer, and then see how the night goes, and then we'll hit the road again tomorrow. We'll catch up with you probably then. Well, a massive good morning to everyone. Second day in. Off we go. Here we go, with maybe 300 Ks out the way. We just pulled into Eucla, topped up with some fuel, ordered some bacon and egg burgers, told the kids to go bloody play on the playground, burn up some energy. What else is there? That's about it. Gonna go get some brekkie, and then we'll get back on the road. Hey, we found a few more of Bob's brothers. Check this out. Hey Bob, check them out. Here's more minions. Oh, sweet. Which ones have we got? That's Stuart. It's Kelvin or Kevin? Kevin. And which one's this one? Oh no! Oh, I just stepped in that. Oh, my foot. Which one's that one?
That's Kevin.
Kevin. Bob.
It's still too small.
Or is that little one over there?
It's only got one eye.
He's only got one eye as well.
One eye.
He's only got one eye. All right. Well, let's get a photo and hit continue. So that's it for today. We've travelled 1,000 kilometres. Where you, big little fella, you're up there. Yeah, boy. We didn't have someone popping off all day. Hey, big fella. We're just in Woodner, staying the night here at the motel. Hopefully can grab another feed, and then we'll hit the road tomorrow for day 3 and get into Adelaide. Mate, have you seen the room yet?
Yeah.
This thing is mint compared to what we stayed in last night. Last night, still a bed, but wow, this room is pimped. What'd you say? We've even got aircon. It's not even making a noise. Oh, it's because it's not turned on. Oh, where are you boys sleeping? In here? Oh, where's the big little fella? Where's he hiding? What a room. This is mint, Dad. Yeah.
Happy with it?
Yeah, check this out.
Alright.
Have we got beers in here? Oh, I've got milk. Got milk and water. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Oh! Whoa! Busted you! Wait, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Oh, oh, lucky you did that in here. Oh, you. Righto, mate. Well, after all that, we've got a pimped out room. Yeah, boy. Righto. Come on, boys. Pub feed. Let's go.
Say for the camera.
Hello, camera.
Say.
Goodbye, camera.
Baba Gamma.
What are you gonna say?
Well, good morning for day 3. And we've pulled up at a free camp spot that we've been to once before. And there's some cool old cars here. I'll take you for a little walk around. Yeah, boy. What do we got here? An old Toyota Land Cruiser. I love the custom made bull bars. Mint. And we've got, I don't know my Fords that well. I think that's maybe an XP. That'd be cool for like a Summernats car, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Or from, what's his name? Low Standards. He could build something cool out of that, couldn't he? Oh, wicked. And I think the last time we were here, there was heaps more cars. So they may have sold some, or unfortunately someone might have taken them. Check out the old VB. HDT grill, who remembers those? Oh, defected. What did you get defected for? Too staunch. Oh, wicked. Wow. Check out the spiders living in that. Yeah, a lot of broken glass. Watch out. What's that, an old Chev?
Yeah.
Or is it Holden? I think it's Chevy. Oh, cool. Some wicked trucks. Alright, time to hit the road again, guys.
There's an upside down car.
There's an upside down car. Do you remember that show called Mr. Squiggle? Well, you wouldn't know it, would you?
No.
Honestly, well, it's really dead around here. Why is it so dead, Dad?
They didn't pay their water bill.
Oh. Oh, that's all wheat.
Yeah, it's all their farm.
That's a lot of farmland. Oh, now red dirt.
Oh boy, we've made it to Adelaide and it is bloody cold and raining. We dropped Grandpa off. We went and caught up with XA Coupe guy. And what do you like about the hanging out there? The army tank or the Ninja Turtle van?
Army tank.
The army tank, yeah. So we got to, well, the kids and the big fella got to climb all over it. So thanks to Graham, what a legend. from XA Coupe guy. Just come for a cruise through Harndorf. How many looks did we get out there, eh? With a minion on the back of the car trailer. And what else was there, mate?
We saw some cars, Ferrari shop, some more other cars.
Yeah, and what else did we see out there, big fella?
We saw some lolly shops, bakeries.
Yeah, we couldn't pull up for the bakery for Smoko. We've got the car trailer. Too many of those bloody tourists up here. But we stopped at the survey and I grabbed the classic. Yeah, boy. And what are we going to be doing now?
Not too sure.
We'll head over to the pub and have a counter meal with Grandpa and a couple of me mates. See if your sister will come over and say g'day.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, that's about it for day 3. So yeah, hope you enjoyed our video and we'll catch up with you later. Take it easy. And you meant to say, see you when I'm looking at you.
See you when I'm looking at you.
Yep, and stay tuned for Demolition Derby in Murraybridge.